Okay, what's up guys? In today's video, you probably don't know where I am, but I'm in Capuchin again, and I'm gonna be playing the lava.
It's really obvious though.
Just run up. My little arms cannot move. I'm gonna bounce off of you, thank you. No.
Thank you.
How dare you, Fable? Help me. How do you get up? Thank you.
Oh! Oh!
Thank you very much, Fable. Thank you very much.
Oh!
Oh, I'm floating on the lava. Ow, it burnt my butt. Hold on, let's try to do the parkour. Or whatever this is. It's physically and mentally, it's impossible.
What are you doing right now?
Bro, it's impossible to jump. How? Bro, you can't jump.
Well, no, there's a worm.
Hold on, I want to get up there. Can you pinch climb?
Oh,
No,
here,
you cannot.
here.
You cannot
No,
pinch
it's
climb.
through the lava. We gotta go through the lava. Let it go.
Help me. Where'd Fable go? And guys, go check out Fable's channel. His name is Fable Label VR. Oh, I fell. Where are you at? My little sausage. I burnt my booty. And it didn't feel good. I burnt my booty. And I'm about to drown. I'm just flowing with the lava. That's convenient. Ah. No. Don't you dare drown me in that lava. Oh, there's a tiny pool of lava. Is it deep? We have to dive in. No, it's not deep. Fable, come in the baby lava. The baby lava pool. Come in the little lava pool. Run. Oh. Well, that's all I got for you. Baby lava pool.